Okay, so the plan today is to get these RGB fans in my NITRO card there, and to fit the screen in at the same time. And I'm going to put him on the back of the graphics card when I put it all back in. But because I'm using all my USB slots, I've got a splitter to put in as well. So I've got to take the card out to do a lot of this. Anyway, let's crack on with it. So, got the glass off and the case off. Now, the USB header I need is way down in there, look. And that's where I need to put a splitter on. There's already a splitter on one of them. I need to put a splitter on the other one so I can actually use it. Because I think there's only 2 headers on this. But I will double check before I actually do it. But the graphics card's got to come out anyway. And if you're going to do this, there's the little screw you need to undo. There's only one at the top. That's all there is. There's none at the bottom, look. So it's basically you undo that little screw there. That one just in there. It's just a little Phillips. So you undo that, pop that one out, and then replace it with your RGB ones. Really simple job to do. Anyway, let's crack on with it. Okay, so removing these fans is simple. You've got to take the little grub screw out that holds them in, which is in the back, just up in here. And basically you just have to wedge them a little bit, just so you can get your hand behind it. And you just got to work them out slowly. And that's how simple it is. So that's one of the originals. I'll put that up there. And this is one of the RGBs. So it's reverse procedure. Slot that end in first, and then put your grub screw in. It's like I say, it's a simple procedure. It just pushes in. You have to wedge it in a bit. But there you go. There's that bit. Get the grub screw. I'm not sure if I'm magnetic on this one. I hope I am. Because if I'm not, it'll tell. And then just do your screw up. Don't overdo it. It's just the last thing you want to do with one of these. And there you go. And that's that one in, ready to rock. And then I'll move on to that one and that one, and then start putting her all back together. Okay, so there you go. They're all now fitted, all in there nicely. But just remember, like I said, the little grub screw, be really careful with them. But yeah, so I just got to fit all that back in. I've made myself a little bracket to go right on the back here for my information screen. But yeah, we'll see how she goes. There you go. You can see them all working nice. Looks sweet. Put my info screen at the back of the card. Just made like a little clip thing to hold it on there for now. Just wanted to see what it would look like. Looks quite smart. Probably leave it there. But yeah, really happy with it. Case has come on, and I think I'm actually done with it now. I don't think I'll be adding anything else to it. But yeah, really chuffed. Anyway, that's it for now. Stay safe out there. And get out and ride.